All right, so it's no question that Pinterest is a place where people go to find ideas and products that they can buy. It's a hot spot for shopping. Not only does Pinterest say it all the time, but we see that in examples with our clients as well. In fact, one of the stats is that 80% of active pinners have discovered a new product or a new brand on Pinterest, which means they're really primed and open for any type of suggestions. The great part too is that it doesn't have to be a big brand. It can be anything as long as it fits what they're looking for. So that enters in affiliate marketing. So not everybody is a seller. Not everybody has a product that they want to push to the pinners on Pinterest, but they have products that they like. So you can easily put your affiliate link on Pinterest and get a commission or a small percentage of the sale, depending on whatever platform you use for affiliate marketing, to be able to earn money off of those who make purchases through Pinterest. So in today's video, we're going to cover how to use Pinterest for affiliate marketing and make a little extra money on the side. All right, let's cover why we even want to use Pinterest for affiliate marketing. One, people go there to shop. They have what we call both high intent and low intent, which means maybe they go to the platform to look for a particular candle, but in their search, all of a sudden comes across this really great skincare line. They're open to shopping for both. They'll go down the product rabbit trail. So they're primed and ready to spend money. Number two, Pinterest content has a really, really long shelf life. What that means is that if you have pinned something with an affiliate link and that product is still on that particular website, somebody may find it in a month, in 6 months, in a year, 2 years, even 5 years down the line. Let's hope that product is still there 5 years down the line, because Pinterest pins live forever. So it's a really great way to get residual traffic for years to come. The other is that you can present whatever product you're talking about in a really creative way. So think about this. If you buy this candle and you bring it home to your house and you take a picture of it in your living room, you can use that picture on Pinterest to talk about your love of this candle and use an affiliate link to link to where they can buy the candle. It doesn't just have to be a product image, but it can be a lifestyle image too, which is pretty great. The last is you can organically market your products on Pinterest. It doesn't have to be through paid advertising. You can do that too, but you can put it in different ways organically on the platform where it can interact with all those shoppers at different times and still has that really long shelf life. All right, let's cover the how. How do you do affiliate marketing on Pinterest? Before we dive into this, I want to say this. There is no magic in you simply putting your link on Pinterest and all of a sudden all the buyers will come. That's not how it works. You have to think about it as an investment. Pinterest overall takes 6 to 9 months to really, really work. And if you're new to Pinterest, we have a video for that you can click on up here to figure out how to use Pinterest first. So if you haven't even figured that out yet, don't dive into affiliate marketing yet. You're going to get really, really frustrated. So with that said, a really good affiliate marketing strategy sells the product itself on Pinterest through the image, through to the description too as well, because that shows where Pinterest needs to show that particular pin. And it gets pretty good at convincing people that this product is so good they need to buy it. That doesn't always happen on Pinterest. It can happen on your website. So let's talk about the 3 ways you can do effective affiliate marketing on Pinterest. Number 1, link directly to the product. You can do that by either putting the standalone picture of the candle, or you can do a lifestyle image of the candle. Both those can link directly to the candle. That's great, but I don't really have any context for why this candle is awesome. There's no commentary on it, which you can do a video pin on Pinterest. So let me say this. If you want to really sell on Pinterest with affiliate marketing, go to short form video, hold up the candle and talk about how great this candle is. Because remember, me looking at the screen, I don't know how it smells. I don't know if it's like one of those really awesome candles that like won't give me a headache, or it has a really cool wick or whatever. If you take a minute in short form video and you show the details of that particular candle, that is an excellent way on the platform to sell this candle through your affiliate link. Number 2. This is probably like the OG of affiliate strategies with Pinterest. You link to a blog post on your website. A really popular tool is gift guides. Gift guides are incredible for giving ideas for what people are going to buy for, let's say, a 10-year-old boy, or for a baby shower, or even for a Christmas guide for somebody who likes makeup or anything along those lines. So when you compile a list of things you think this ideal buyer would like and you link to it, then you can give commentary. Then you can say the why. So let's pretend that you skipped over the video part. You're not really into that yet. This is where you can add a little bit more flavor about the candle. Why should they even buy these candles? Maybe the gift guide is a gift guide for candle lovers, and you list your top 10 candles, telling us why you would buy them, what you love about the scent. And now I'm even more inclined to buy because I know what it is you're interested in, and I know how much you love this particular candle. The last is product tagging. So let's say you have an image on Pinterest and you want to tag that particular product, the candle, in the picture. We have a whole video on that about product tagging, so we'll walk you through it. So don't worry about trying to muscle through on your own. But when you product tag with an affiliate link, that allows this little white dot to pop up and you can click on it and then you can go to that particular website right away too as well. So don't be afraid to product tag with your affiliate link. Sometimes it can be clunky. Some people report that maybe it's glitchy or it doesn't pull up. Keep trying to tag that product. It'll eventually work. All right, so to wrap up the how, my suggestion to you is tip 1 is going to be one of the easy ways to do it. That's kind of doing a standard image or just simply doing the regular product image. But the video, that is going to be money. You definitely want to do that on Pinterest if that is the only place you're going to put your affiliate link. The second is the blog post, where you can list out all of your affiliate links and you can give more commentary. Remember, this is the how, but if you really want to get people to buy, you're going to have to talk about it. It's not just, again, slapping up a link and hoping people purchase. People purchase because of the benefits. They don't purchase just because you tell them to do it. So think about that. Here are my final tips for you when it comes to affiliate marketing on Pinterest. First, review the guidelines that Pinterest has for affiliate marketing. They have ebbed and flow with their affiliate links are good, affiliate links are bad. They've done this over the years. So we'll link below to their community guidelines for affiliate links. But right now in late 2023, affiliate links are totally good to go on Pinterest. They've given it the green light, so press on. Next is creating great pins. Remember, it's not just about the image, because I can scroll by on Pinterest and see any picture of a candle. It doesn't make a difference. But if there's more context on the pin, great smelling, no headaches, whatever it is about candles, essential oils, vegan, soy, I have no idea. But whatever makes this candle awesome, if you put that on the pin, I'm instantly engaged with it and I'm going to read more about it. Because pinners don't read the description below. They only consume what's on the image. So create great pins and great videos about the particular product. Also, don't just promote the product. Talk about the problem it solves. Talk about why it's awesome. I know there's a lot of people who say, put up affiliate links on Pinterest and you'll make a bunch of money. That's not the case. People need to know why they're investing in something, whether it's $20 or $100. They need to know the why, especially in this current economy. The other thing, this is so important to me when it comes to affiliate marketing, choose a product that you actually like and that you actually use. It's much easier for you to sell the benefits of something that you have a direct connection with. If you don't, and people ask you questions, or even if you don't, that's going to come through in your affiliate marketing as you talk about it. So have a connection with the product. Like it, love it, whatever it is. But don't just slap up an affiliate link and hope that it works. The last is do your keyword research. See what people are actually searching to find that particular product. Go to the trends tool, trends.pinterest.com. Go to the search bar. Look and see, are people looking for this particular type of candle? Are they looking for this particular type of jean? Whatever it is, go search it out, see what's out there on the platform, and even pay attention to the keywords that pop up when you populate that particular search term. I love talking about affiliate marketing. For one, it's really great for those who don't have their own products, both digital and physical, to be able to earn a little bit of money suggesting products that they love. And so I think this is a great way for you to add extra income to your business. We have a whole list of resources down below in the description, from podcasts to blog posts, to other resources for you. You don't have to be afraid of affiliate marketing on Pinterest. You just have to do it in the right way.